Global warming and climate change, two of the most pressing issues facing humanity today. Our planet is heating up, extreme weather events are becoming more frequent, and the consequences are affecting every corner of the globe. But what exactly is happening, and how can we make a difference before it's too late? Global warming refers to the long-term increase in Earth's average surface temperature. It's driven by the rise of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, particularly carbon dioxide (CO2), methane, and nitrous oxide. These gases trap heat from the sun, creating a greenhouse effect, which is causing temperatures to rise. Much of this excess CO2 comes from burning fossil fuels like coal, oil, and natural gas. Deforestation and industrial activities also contribute by releasing more CO2 into the atmosphere and reducing the Earth's ability to absorb it. The result? A warming planet that's changing faster than ever. The effects of global warming are undeniable. As the planet warms, polar ice caps are melting, causing sea levels to rise. Coastal cities and island nations are at risk of being submerged. In fact, the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change (IPCC) predicts that sea levels could rise by up to a meter by the end of this century. Global warming also leads to more extreme weather events. We're witnessing more frequent and intense hurricanes, floods, and wildfires. Droughts are becoming longer and more severe, threatening food and water supplies, while certain species of animals are losing their habitats, pushing many toward extinction. The impact isn't just environmental, it's human. Entire communities are being displaced due to rising sea levels and extreme weather, particularly in vulnerable regions like coastal cities and developing countries. Climate refugees are becoming a reality. While global warming refers to the planet's rising temperatures, climate change is a broader term that encompasses the entire shift in weather patterns caused by this warming. It includes changes in rainfall, the intensity and frequency of storms, and shifts in ecosystems. Seasonal patterns are changing. Winters are shorter, summers are longer and hotter. Animals and plants are struggling to adapt to new conditions. For example, certain bird species that once migrated are now staying put, and many plant species are blooming earlier than usual. So what's being done about it? On the global stage, efforts like the Paris Agreement aim to limit global temperature rise to below 2 degrees Celsius compared to pre-industrial levels. Countries around the world are pledging to reduce carbon emissions and transition to cleaner energy sources. Renewable energy, such as solar, wind, and hydropower, is gaining momentum. Electric vehicles are becoming more popular, reducing our dependence on fossil fuels. Individuals and businesses are increasingly recognizing the importance of reducing their carbon footprint, whether through recycling, using energy-efficient appliances, or simply consuming less. But fighting climate change isn't just the responsibility of governments or corporations. Each of us can make a difference. Simple actions like reducing energy consumption, recycling, and limiting plastic use go a long way. Using public transportation, switching to energy-efficient appliances, and even planting a tree can help reduce your carbon footprint. Movements like Fridays for Future, led by Greta Thunberg, show the power of collective action. It's a reminder that no action is too small and no voice is too quiet to bring about change. The future of our planet depends on the choices we make today. The road ahead is challenging, but not impossible. If we continue to push for change at the individual, corporate, and government levels, we can slow the progress of global warming and adapt to the changes that are already here. Technology and innovation offer hope for a greener future, but it requires us all to act now. The time to act is now. We can no longer afford to wait. The decisions we make in the next few years will shape the future of our planet for generations to come. The planet is in our hands. Will we choose to protect it, or will we ignore the signs until it's too late? Global warming and climate change may seem overwhelming, but every action counts. Share this video, start conversations, and let's work together to create a sustainable future for everyone.